everybody, and welcome to Greyton. As you can see here, we've been walking around on this beautiful farm, visiting all the animals, and it's quite something special to be able to see animals like this, the way they're supposed to live their lives in their natural habitats, just hanging, chilling, eating, making noise. I question today's society because what is the difference between drinking the milk from a cow and drinking the milk from a cat? Most people would say, oh no, I would never drink milk from a cat, right? That's gross, but from a cow it isn't. Or how come you won't eat the leg of a dog, but you will eat the pork chop? Doesn't make any sense to me. When you get to know these animals, when you realize that, for example, pigs are very clean animals, they go do their toilet business really far away from where they sleep and eat. Even the newborn piglets will, within hours of being born, leave the nest to go do their business. Or the fact that cows are pregnant for 9 months and they care deeply about their babies so much that they will cry for days after their calves are being taken from them by the dairy industry. Did you know the fact that sheep, they are so clever, so they know how to treat themselves when they get sick. They will go and they will look for specific medicinal plants and eat these to actually cure themselves. Or the fact that chickens, they have a rapid eye movement, meaning that they dream just like us, and they love to sunbathe. They can just stay out for hours. They also talk to their eggs, just much like humans or mothers talk to their babies in the womb. So when their eggs hatch, the chickens already know the clucker of their mother. It's all animals, a dog, a cat, a pig, a cow, it's all the same. They're all my friends, even though I run into more dogs than I run into pigs. Sure, we had to travel quite far to get here, but I don't eat my friends. And I think that if you question yourself, if you really ask yourself if this is okay, what we're doing as a society, killing the planet and killing other living beings when we don't need to, I think you will know the answer. So maybe it's time to wake up, start asking questions, start looking inside, see is this really your ethic and your moral allows you to continue like this, or do you choose the more compassionate way of life, become healthier and happier, and just let's save the planet together, right? Together we can do this. No, but I wasn't wrong.